Hello everyone. I am in what already seems to be beautiful western Wisconsin, at a state park right now. And just initially the drive in here on a dirt road, there were some bunnies that I saw running into places, and just like, I mean, look at where I am right now. I'm already in some, going into some deep woods. Hopefully gonna see some falls that, as soon as I pulled in the parking lot, somebody was like, yeah, just follow the trail this way, and then you'll get to a really cool spot. So I'm trusting that. So I'm hopefully headed towards that way, and I'll just take you guys with me along my little journey here. Hopefully you can all hear by now the very noisy river that lies straight in front of me. I'm actually right next to the stream here. As you can see, it kind of has like this little midsection here where it splits into two different things right there. This is extremely humbling, being here next to this just huge moving body of water. It's extremely powerful. Just how tall the trees are next to the water. Look at this little outlook point up here, very far away. Next step is to actually go next to the falls here, but this is a reminder, like, even if your objective is to get to the falls, it doesn't stop you from appreciating the things along the way. This is very nice. I just went down, up in those trails, went down here, came down, crossed over those rocks. Now I'm here. Again, I feel extremely humbled by this stream itself. Seeing the little water bugs kind of swimming by the shore, seeing the different stumps and rocks right along the river that the river just kind of like powered through over the years. Even the dew, the little water droplets on the grass itself. Absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully you can hear me over this absolutely astonishing fall that I'm next to. There were people over there, so I wanted to respect their space as we all looked at the waterfall. I'm going up to try to get a better vantage point, just a different perspective, just to see something different. I can tell you, it is absolutely powerful. I can feel this water's energy. I can feel just the repetition of it falling over the different mini cliffs all the way down, falling under the river, and having these giant rocks here just sitting next to the geometry of these rocks are just, again, it's astounding. I can't quite comprehend it. I can't comprehend how nature is able to do this so well. Nature does nature so well. So like I said, I'm going to try to get a better vantage point up there, and hopefully I'll see you up there. I hope you can I hope you can all hear me still. This is currently where I am. Oh my goodness. Look at this rock above me. There are bats flying around. There are fish jumping out of the water. Even just breathing the air. It's so pure. The waterfall is giving me these just full and fulfilling. They are fulfilling breaths. I'm sure the plants next to this little chasm I seem to be in, I'm sure they appreciate it too. I'm actually going to get closer to the water here and see what different perspectives we can bring. So I am going up this wooden stair thingy. I don't know how far I am up because I don't know where it ends, but I think I see the end in sight. I would just like to show everybody the view behind me. Absolutely crazy. Would you look at that? Very, very powerful. Guess I'll see you guys at the top. I feel massive amounts of abundance. I can not even hear the falls now. Yeah, can't really tell if that's just white noise or cars, or maybe it's the falls. But I've just been walking on this what seems quieter than usual because I was just next to some loud water. These very quiet woods, which I found abundance and peace and welcoming too. I feel like I'm meant to be here. I feel like these woods are meant to be here. It's a very powerful feeling. As I see a sign that says falls are that way. So I think at this point I'm gonna go ahead and circle around just back to the falls. I'm probably gonna head home. It's getting a little towards sunset for the day as we see these beautiful, whatever those are, these berries. Just notice them passing by. Again, just a very welcoming feeling coming from this state park. Absolutely beautiful. This is a reminder to get outside, you guys. I know it's been hard with the warm weather, depending on where you live. Might be scorching, but if you can find a nice little area that's just shaded enough, even on a cloudy day, even on a rainy day, those are your times to go out. Those are your times to get outside, see what the universe and nature has to offer you. I'm actually going to be doing a future video on the healing powers of just nature and being in the natural world overall. Looks like I've reached another map here, so we'll go ahead and go back to the falls. The arrow heading to the falls actually led to a very nice open kind of wild grass and wildflower area. As you can see, there's a lot of beautiful sumac leading into it, kind of leading up as an opening. You can actually see what I saw right through this, right through these trees here. If you look very closely, you can see a deer grazing everything. We both sort of stopped and noticed each other at the same time. I decided I didn't really want to bother it too much, which is why I'm going to be very quiet. I'm gonna head up around the corner. I think that it's not quite in its where it wants to be, the area that it wants to be, and I do think that it is alone. I did not see any other deer here, but I want to respect the deer's space. This is his home. Just kind of want to be slow walking around the corner. All right, I think we're all good. I think the deer is nearby, but shouldn't mind if I come through. And hopefully you can see behind me now the beautiful wildflower and grassland area I was talking about earlier. Hopefully you just heard that. That was a deer running away. But the birds are very noisy. You have a lot to talk about, talking about all of the different flowers and plants and bugs that probably live here. Just a lot of beautiful purples you can see in the back. Fantastic. Little wildflower area in the middle of the forest. Just kind of checking in here as I begin to hear the falls again. I just want to say overall this is quite the beautiful trail. Fantastic waterfall centerpiece to the whole thing, but the surrounding environment to it is, I mean, it speaks for itself. It speaks for itself. Everything speaks for itself here. It's a lot of different kinds of trees, lots of different kinds of wildlife. Like I said, bunnies coming in. I saw deer, bats. It's very biodiverse in here, and you can tell just by looking at it, just by looking at how green everything is here. It's very healthy area, and I'd like to credit the waterfall for kind of being the staple of what this area is. It's absolutely fantastic. So reminder for you guys, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at mangospiderig. I post a lot of awareness things on there, a lot of nature things, a lot of things about the universe. Also a reminder to go outside. Simply that. Doesn't have to be a big trail like this. It can be sit outside on your porch for a little bit. Take a few breaths. Open your window even. It's nice out. Open your window. Just by some form, get some natural air, get some natural sights, get some natural life into your being somehow. Thank you guys so much if you made it through this entire video. Thank you for being here with me along on this journey. And I will see you guys next time.